Silence, a crucial need to rest and recover faster from a health issue. After a long and critical surgery, a quiet room in a well-equipped hospital is the best situation to be in for an elderly patient. On the other hand, crowded hospitals with old infrastructure may not have the luxury of quiet, spacious rooms to offer to these patients. In such hospitals, the main source of noise is within the rooms, not outside. Therefore, conventional noise suppression, like soundproofing walls, will not actually work. What if a quiet zone can be formed around the patients themselves? This way, no matter what happens inside the room, the patient can rest well and recover faster in their own dedicated quiet zone. Consider a patient in an old room of a busy hospital. Based on the research done until today, by properly placing microphones and speakers around the patient, cancelling noises up to 90% is achievable. All of this is doable by means of a control unit equipped with a well-designed algorithm to calculate inference frequencies in order to cancel unwanted noises. Keeping the experience of the patient in mind, 100% suppression of unwanted noises is not the goal to achieve, but the adjustable setup of microphones and speakers in any room with any arrangement of instruments around the patient's bed. Moreover, the alarms around the bed should be audible by nurses and doctors in the hospital. Besides, it should be possible to turn the quiet zone off in cases like a doctor wanting to talk to the patient or the patient in dire need of help from a nurse. This configurability is the primary goal to achieve for this product to be offered to hospitals as a commercial solution for noisy rooms. Although 90% suppression of unwanted noises seems to be doable, the setup for it is pre-configured that it does not consider the healthcare environment with all the equipments around. Moreover, the bed may be moved throughout the hospital, and therefore the configuration of the quiet zone should be doable by the operators in the hospital. With all this in mind, proper research and development is needed, in addition to experiments in real-world scenarios, to make this technology a commercial product for hospitals. We estimate that a period of 2-year R&D can suffice for this purpose. Moreover, the eagerness to cancel unwanted noises should not question the main goal of the product, which is the faster recovery of the patient from a health issue. In other words, it should be guaranteed that the emission of frequencies close to the upper body of the patient won't affect their health negatively. In order to scale the product, the technology can be used in different areas of the hospitals like operating theaters. It can also be the case that the patients themselves can purchase the product to use it in-house in case of achieving the ultimate ease of configuration. With all this in mind, this product is considered a new technology and a scientific work in progress which needs to be researched along the way with the help of hospitals and doctors to find the optimal configuration solution and also measure the risks it may have for the health of the patients. Let's take a quick look at our business model. We consider the component producers and the shipping companies as our main partners. Our main activities will be innovation in noise suppression and learning during configurations and repairs. Our key resources will be our engineers and components that we are going to use. The main value that we are proposing is noise cancellation with a new technology. The relationship with our customers will be installations and repairs. The channels will be considered as scientific conferences because it's a new technology, advertisements, and our websites. The customer segment that we are targeting is healthcare providers, especially hospitals. About the cost structure, we consider research and development our main cost, then the component manufacturing, assembly costs, and the labor for doing the installations and repairs are considered. As our revenue stream, the purchases per unit and the repairs are considered as our main revenue streams. Thank you for your attention.